Guys, I haven't done like a vloggy vlog in a long time where I just say things and talk about stuff on YouTube. So it's super loud, yes, because we're right by the highway. But I wanted to talk about, I know I've been posting S&J Haunted Productions, and some of you have been following our page, but we actually started a business. We are located the Glass Coffin, right? That's this vampire parlor here, the Glass Coffin, which is pretty sweet. I've done a couple of videos about those guys. They also own this building here, which is next door to the Glass Coffin, and it is called the Velvet Casket. So Julie and I have a store inside the Velvet Casket, and we've had it for a couple of months now. We've been sharing a room with another amazing vendor, the Black Throne, formerly Grotesque Anomaly. But there's a few vendors in here, and so this is the entrance, the Velvet Casket, to our store. And so I'll go inside and I'll show you. We're getting a whole nother room ready right now, and it's been just insane getting it all together, where Julie's gonna sell like gothic clothing and kind of, I guess, embalming type stuff. Possibly gonna call it the Mortician's Closet until this place actually closes down, because there is a sad story along with this. This place is getting torn down because they're expanding the highway, but they did get an extension, so we are here till August. So anyway, let me show you inside. So, gonna give you guys an update. So, been working hard in here, and boom. So we got a mirror put in here. We added this cool vampire skull to it. Got 2 of the grid walls up with the little clothing racks for clothing. Not sure what we're gonna put up there yet, but I got that grid wall installed. We got the chandelier put in this morning. We picked up this display cabinet for in here this morning. I built this retail counter, but there will be another section here. We've got this really cool old cash register. I believe it's from the 1940s, 1950s. So, but we finished painting in here. It was like a, I don't know, eggplant color. So we just finished painting black. And Julie just put those curtains up. I've got to get a shelf up there. Got a lot more plans. Julie's got some art she's gonna hang up in here. And yeah, it's coming together, guys. So this will be our extended retail space from the space we have that is in here. So now we will be in here. All right, guys, so trying to multitask here, making skulls to start the laser, so it will be going at the same time as while I'm building this additional part to the shelf. So I showed you guys yesterday the shop. So this is that other cabinet that's going to go off across from the large main portion. So I'm making these 3 little shelves too to go on here on the edge to kind of tie those 2 together. So I'm doing that. All right, so got the second part of the shelf installed. Julie's working there. What you working on?
Wax seal waxes.
Wax seal waxes, cool. And so she got a bunch of really cool artwork up and a nice mirror. We got wares for sale in this cabinet. She got her clothing and lots of other good items for sale on this shelf. We got a red light put in there today, which looks really nice. There it is. Still lots more to do.
Glass frame. You got, Jesus, you got crystals in here 2 inches, 3 inches long. This was pure glass. You're a goddamn artist. This is art. This is a light. Actually, it's just basic chemistry. Thank you, Professor. Acceptable. You're the goddamn iron chef. Every chip had from here to Timbuktu's gonna want to taste.
All right, guys, that was the update. I'm heading to Dark Hour Haunted House for Monster Camp. Catch you guys on the next video.